In this tutorial, I'm gonna show to you how to type serial number in Microsoft Word table within few seconds. So first of all, create table. In this purpose, go to Insert menu and go to this tables group. Click the table, this tool, and insert table. Now type your columns number and rows number. Press the OK button. Now you can see our table in Microsoft Word. If you look this below part, here you can see on of 11 page. Now type your table header name. Okay, now need to format your table. In this purpose, select the table and go to the table this menu and go to table style and select your table. Okay, I click this table. Now insert serial number and it's fully automatically. So for this purpose, select this serial number column. When select this serial number column, then go to the home menu and go to paragraph group. Then click the numbering, this tool, click the arrow options and define new number format. You can see a dialog box. Number style, I choose your number style. I choose this format and number format. I delete this dot. Now press OK. Now you can see serial number type automatically. Okay, see here is some problem. Serial number insert not perfectly. In this purpose, go to the serial number this header cell. Press the backspace button. Now we can see serial number format is right. But also here is some problem. If you reduce this column, these columns will be not reduced because our serial number is numbering format. In this purpose, you select your serial number, full serial number. Then go to this ruler option and select this point left indent. Okay, now you can go to the left side. Okay, now we can see our serial number here perfectly. Okay, now if you want insert a row, in this purpose select here this last point and press the enter button. You can see serial number change automatically. Dear viewers, I think you learned from this video how to type serial number automatically in Microsoft Word table. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.